Found a one-piece joint. Want to have a little conversation. Not the whole time, but drop a few gems while we put some Legos together. Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everything good, but you see all these bags in here. A whole nother box full of bags. Man. Okay. Damn. You told God no. But you told the world yes. 2 books. So, oh, I love that smell. Damn. 3 books. I don't finally secured a Lego partnership. With that comes the conversation of what is real manifestation? What is real submission? What is real obedience? And what is real trust within yourself, within God, within your partner? It's a lot that comes with that because you can't tell God you want something. You only want the value of it when it comes exactly how you say. And I don't want you stuck in the ether of, oh, it ain't looking exactly how I said it's gonna look, so I'm not getting blessed. No, you getting blessed. God's sending it your way. He's sending the version that you need. You focused on the version that you want. God is sending you the version of the blessing that you asked for. He's sending the version that you need, but you're so caught up in the wants that you're missing the need of the blessing. When it comes to Legos, I said, I'm gonna be a Lego partner. I don't have the choice or the say so when my blessings will come to pass, which is why I'm very careful about what I say. Because everything I say comes to pass. It might come to pass in 7 seconds, 7 minutes, 7 months, or 7 years. So I'm very careful about what I say because I script my life with my tongue. My tongue is powerful. When I first started buying the Legos, I said, bro, I'm gonna get some Legos. I'm gonna get a partnership in a minute. I stayed resistant. I stayed truthful. I stayed honest to what I said. Now, when that blessing comes to me, when that flower finally unfolds, I will reap the benefits, but it's not my job to unfold that flower because I'm being impatient, because I can't wait, because I'm rushing, because I think I'm in control. The only control I have is conviction. So I can ask for something, but I also can't control how it comes back to me, in what form and what shape that it comes back to me. I got an email this morning. Oh, we want to include you in the Lego partnership. I text my manager, hey, you see what's going on. This is a seed I put in the ground 7 months ago and maybe $1,500 ago. I've been buying Legos for a few months now, collecting the big ones, as you can see. So when it comes to asking for something, I also don't tell God exactly how it needs to look. I let the great divine guide me. Say, okay, you want this? Are you willing to submit? Are you willing to be consistent? And if your answer is yes, then let it be yes. Regardless of how your surroundings are, regardless of how your ego feels, when you really start to manifest, it's not about what you can manipulate. It's about how well you listen, how obedient you can be, and how grateful you can be for the blessing when it comes your way, the version that you can accept. That's not accepting less, that's accepting what you need.
I don't scratch my head unless it itches, and I don't dance unless I hear some music. I will not be intent. That's just the way it is. We in the bag and we might get a tear. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a bitch. Oh yeah. I still say these bitches are clean it up. She gets down just like me. She's not so shy. Bitch bad, watch her glow. Crazy thought I've got about doing Legos is just all about patience, following instructions. Things in life have a certain way to be. When it comes to putting your life together, the pieces type shit, when it comes to putting your life together, pay attention to the configuration that things need to be in your life. It's not about where you think something should go. It's about paying enough attention and having enough patience to put the right thing where it belongs. You will get to step 10 and realize that you missed step 3 and gotta redo, gotta undo everything you did. Cause that's the most frustrating part. When you speeding and running through these Legos and you look up, you done skipped a step 7 pages ago. You can't even be mad at nobody but yourself because you rushing through it trying to think you know and you're not paying attention where it might say 1 block, but instead of 1, you have to stack 2 on top so it can reach the right height. This Lego stuff has really been rewarding. And even outside of me finally landing on a partnership, it's not about what I can get from them. It's about the joy it brings me. So regardless or not, if I never got a partnership with them, never got a deal, never got a collaboration with them, I would be fine because the joy I get from this is not based on me getting something for free.
This is just unlocking a whole new level of self-love and appreciating my inner child. Just let him have a playground to enjoy himself. You know, when you see your life and it say 10,000 pieces, it can be very intimidating to think about. But when I say you're worth it, you're worth the effort, you are worth the time to stop and think and actually apply yourself. You are worth the application of effort. Because when you finish, it's gonna be a beautiful masterpiece, but you have to enjoy the process to get to the product. There's no steps you can skip. It ain't no button to put this together. For me, it's about time and effort and patience, intentionality. Once all those things are applied, I get what I want. If you ain't on Legos, I will get you on them by the time I finish. The lesson from Legos is don't move too fast or be too assumptionary with things you think you know, because you don't. Be willing to listen, be willing to be taught, be willing to be a student even of your own life, a student of your own journey. I appreciate you for tapping in. Back to the R&B.
Hey, I'm watching the moves and playing it close. SOD, super soap. Rainy days, his and hers, matching coat. Jet is so big, feel like a boat, staying afloat. I'm watching the moves and playing it close. SOD, super soap. She was a hoe, but I ain't gon' judge, cause that was way before. I know. Cleopatra at the pyramid tonight. Cinderella Benz, I got bucket seats inside. Roll a backwood with my enemies inside. Hey, okay. Yeah. WhatsApp attachment, first time I seen you naked. I didn't say Santorini, but you tasted faded. Say you coming home and give me that goodness gracious, goodness gracious. Watching the moves and playing it close. SOD, super soap. Rainy days, his and hers, matching coat. We fuck on a jet, it feel like a boat, staying afloat. I'm watching the moves and playing it close. SOD, super soap. She was a hoe, but I ain't gon' judge, cause that was way before. Grind on me, grind on me. Love it when you pressing that behind on me. Holding everybody heat, cause they won't find it on me. Who said I can't dance with a 9 on 9 on 9 on 9 on 9 on me? Giddy up, be how you rolling out, girl. Feel it in your system, codeine cow, girl. Who am I? Who am I? You know it, Mr. Big Time Eating, Mr. Not Sleeping, he's late night creeping. Both his right wrists, all that's freezing. You know I'm a dog, I'm a hard pass demon. Says you wanna ride, I'm like, hey, okay.
Shawty wanna ride at the Four Seasons. Shawty wanna ride at the Four Seasons. Shawty wanna ride at the Four Seasons. I'm watching the moves and playing it close. SOD, super soul.